From the world's highest mountain to its deepest cave, wherever you go, we're there. Luxfer Gas Cylinders, the world's leading manufacturer of high-pressure gas cylinders. Our products are essential to the success of hundreds of companies, making thousands of products, serving millions of people around the globe. More than 40 million Luxfer aluminium and composite high-pressure gas cylinders are in service worldwide, and millions more are added each year, the majority of the world's total supply. Our customers use compressed gases for home medical care, emergency medical services, fire extinguishers, firefighters' life support, beverage services, scuba, high-performance automotive, alternative fuel vehicles, aerospace, paintball guns, and a wide variety of industrial applications. In fact, no company offers a broader range of aluminium and composite cylinders. Luxfer is setting the standard worldwide. In 1898, British inventor James Pennyquick began manufacturing prismatic glass to illuminate businesses and homes. He called his company Luxfer, from the Latin lux, or light, and fer, to carry. Famed architect Frank Lloyd Wright was among the many builders who installed millions of Luxfer glass panels in buildings around the world. When affordable electric light became available, Luxfer moved into other architectural products, including fireproof glazing and metal construction components. And by the 1920s, Luxfer had added sheet steel products such as shelving and office partitions. During both World Wars, Luxfer contributed to British military needs with an array of durable metal products. To help meet the post-World War II housing shortage in England, Luxfer manufactured ready-glazed windows. Extrusion technology developed for windows soon led to a revolutionary new process called cold indirect extrusion, which Luxfer used to make rocket bodies, as well as mortar tubes and shells for the Korean conflict. Then, in 1958, Luxfer introduced the products for which it is best known today, the world's first extruded aluminium cylinders. Until the 1950s, compressed gases were stored primarily in steel containers, which are heavy and prone to rust and corrosion. Luxfer's high-quality seamless aluminium cylinders are much lighter than steel and resistant to corrosion. The manufacturing process begins with logs of Luxfer's proprietary aluminium alloys. They are cut into billets, which are moved to the extrusion press, where a powerful hydraulic ram applies thousands of tons of compressive load to extrude solid aluminium into a hollow shell or cup. In another extrusion process used by our French facility, a proprietary aluminium alloy is heated before being forced through a die to form a shell. In both hot and cold extrusion, the open cylinder end is heated and drawn into a neck. Cylinders are then heated to several hundred degrees, then cooled rapidly. This heat treatment adds strength and durability. Then they're ready for threading. Every Luxfer cylinder is rigorously tested. Cylinders are subjected to hydrostatic pressure far exceeding rated service limits. Independent testing certifies that every Luxfer cylinder meets all government standards. As a further safeguard, randomly selected cylinders are tested for hardness and tensile strength to confirm proper heat treatment, as well as crushing or bending tests to demonstrate internal wall integrity. Further testing, including multiple visual inspections, is a continual part of the manufacturing process. After brushing, many cylinders are sprayed with an electrostatic powder coating that is bake melted into an extremely durable finish, while other cylinders are finished with high-performance liquid coatings. Finally, the cylinders are packed for shipment. In the 1970s, Luxfer added higher pressure composite cylinders to its product line. Luxfer's first composites were made by hoop wrapping resin-impregnated high-strength fibers around an aluminium liner. Our French plant, in fact, is now producing a new line of hoop-wrapped cylinders based on Luxfer's exclusive higher-strength, lighter-weight 7000 series aluminium alloy liners. In the mid-70s, Luxfer applied aerospace technology to create a new generation of full-wrap composite cylinders, featuring an optimal thickness aluminium liner at the core, wrapped and reinforced to meet high-demand specifications for increased pressure with minimum weight. To make the liner, an aluminium disc is first formed into a cylinder of optimal thickness. The open end is then heated and spun to form a neck. Liners are then fully wrapped in specialized patterns with multiple layers of carbon, Kevlar, or fiberglass bonded with resin. After incorporating identifying labels into the wrapping, each cylinder is hydrostatically tested and repeatedly inspected as part of Luxfer's rigorous quality control process. But setting the industry standard worldwide requires more than innovative and reliable products. Luxfer's technical support, sales and customer service representatives are knowledgeable, helpful and focused on customer satisfaction. Our world-class computerized order entry and inventory tracking system features versatile SAP programming, which allows virtually seamless management of sales, shipping and service around the globe. For over a century, Luxfer has looked to the future. We pioneered aluminium cylinders, and we set a new world standard for carbon composites. While most composite cylinders require requalification at 3-year intervals, Luxfer carbon composites were the first to be government certified for 5 years of service before retesting. Now, some of the world's leading specialists in materials science and metallurgy are working to develop the next generation of products, including exciting new alloys for cylinders that must function under the most exotic or extreme conditions, even in interplanetary space. In addition to a full-time R&D staff, Luxfer sponsors fundamental research in several scientific disciplines at major universities around the world. Luxfer is also an active participant in every major worldwide organization that promotes development of new cylinder technology and safe cylinder usage. Another example of Luxfer's commitment to industry leadership and to new and better products to serve our customers' ever-expanding needs. So whenever or wherever you encounter a high-pressure gas cylinder, anywhere in or out of this world, think of us, Luxfer Gas Cylinders, setting the standard worldwide and beyond.